So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can delete your Fiverr account permanently. Either it could be a selling account or it could be a buying account. You can do the same process for both of the accounts. You just need to log into your Fiverr account on any of the devices you have. If you have a smartphone, you can do the same process on there also. So first of all, let me open any browser and open my Fiverr account over there. You just need to open your Fiverr account wherever you want. For example, if I open this Fiverr account on my browser, now here you're gonna see this is the home page of a Fiverr account where you're going to buy the or hire the creators for you. Here you need to just simply on the top right corner where you're going to find a profile picture, you just simply need to click over there and you're going to find an option of settings over there. Just simply click over this settings option. Now you are in the settings of this particular Fiverr, and you need to scroll down until here you're gonna see the option of account deactivation. Here first of all you need to choose a reason why you want to leave this particular platform. When you click there, you're gonna find a lot of options over there. If you find a option relevant to you, just simply select it, otherwise just simply hit other. And once you do that, you're gonna see the deactivate. It may ask some other optional reason also if you select other. And once you do that, you just simply need to hit deactivate account. You need to be very careful before doing this process, because that's an irreversible process. Once you do that, just simply hit deactivate account and your Fiverr account has been deactivated. So by this method you can easily deactivate your Fiverr account. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.